Hi friends, this tutorial is for POD, Proof of Delivery Uploading. In your ERP, LOZICS, we have this option in the menu that is in the left hand side. You have seen booking operation. Now there are delivery operations. In delivery, we have various options that we'll discuss one by one. But here we talk about POD, Proof of Delivery. And you click at POD, below which is POD Receiving. POD is basically a proof of delivery which is signed by the receiver, and you have to upload it in the system and mark that particular consignment as delivered. This is particularly applicable in full truckload businesses. In part load, when you have door delivery system or you have go down delivery system, there you will find the delivery option given, POD option given, where you particularly mark that POD, proof of delivery, has been signed or received or uploaded in the system. This is, as I said, particularly for full truckload system where you put the consignment number and you click at show. You can press the consignment number, or I'll check a consignment which is already entered in this. So, for example, I pick this consignment number ND25700028, which was created long back, and it was its receiving date and time is marked from the system. And this is the POD number, POD voucher number, and this consignment was domestic. It's information that is already punched in the system. It comes over your screen, each and everything, except the reporting date and unloading date. So the truck arrived on this date and it was unloaded on next day at this time, and total weight and packaging information comes. And here you have the option to uh, attach one signed image. So you have front copy, back copy, signature copy, and upload document. If you want to just upload any document over here, you just click at this front copy and you can click at upload, and you will have that particular thing on your screen as an image. For example, if you have that image over here, so you can upload that particular image. For example, this is the image that you wish to upload, and this image would be uploaded and shown on your screen, and it will be stored in the database, and it will be connected with this particular CN number. And same way you will have front copy, back copy, signature copy, and any other document if you wish to upload, you can do that. And it is also showing you the vehicle and vehicle hire number details also. And there are certain charges which the transporter comes to know at later date, not on the date of creation of consignment. So for example, detention, if the truck has been detained by the user or by the client for a more than a permissible period, so there are certain penalties put on that. So there are detention at loading point, unloading point, or any other charges that you wish to uh, pay to the transporter or collect from your customer. Or same way, there could be certain things which you have to deduct from the uh, transporter and pay to your customer. So you have add and deduct option here. And so you have also how this is calculated, whether fixed or a percentage of the value. And there are the unloading details, the total package is booked, unloaded, and if there is any variation, so you have to see it for shortage and excess and damages accounting also done, and few other information that can you can put on the uh, other column, that is drivers mobile number, etc. here. And this information is also supplied by the mobile app when the mobile app is used. And the mobile app at the time of delivery, the delivery man clicks the picture of the consignment duly signed by the receiver and uploads, so it appears over here. So in this option you have very self-definable, self understanding, self options. So you can simply just click it and submit it and save it. So this is the option for uploading of POD. So thank you very much.